Eclectic is an adjective used to describe a diverse and varied approach, style, or selection, often drawn from a wide range of sources or influences. It emphasizes a deliberate choice of the best or most suitable elements from different systems, styles, or ideas. Origins of eclectic. The word eclectic comes from the Greek eklektikos, meaning selective, derived from eklegein, to select or choose. It originally referred to philosophers in ancient Greece who did not adhere strictly to one school of thought, but instead borrowed ideas from multiple systems. The term entered English in the 17th century, maintaining its association with variety and selectivity. How to use eclectic. Eclectic is commonly used in various contexts, including art, music, interior design, fashion, and intellectual pursuits, to describe a blend of elements that might not traditionally go together, but work harmoniously due to careful selection. Example sentences: her music taste is eclectic, ranging from classical symphonies to modern electronic beats. The restaurant's menu is eclectic, featuring dishes inspired by cuisines from all over the world. His eclectic decorating style combines antique furniture with modern art. Similar words: diverse, showing a great deal of variety. Varied, incorporating a number of different types or elements. Multifaceted, having many sides or aspects. Nuances of eclectic. The term eclectic suggests intentionality and discernment in choosing elements from different sources as opposed to randomness. It often carries a positive connotation, highlighting creativity and open-mindedness, though in some cases it might imply a lack of cohesion if not balanced thoughtfully. In essence, eclectic celebrates the beauty of variety and the richness that comes from blending influences. It encourages exploration and innovation by embracing diversity and breaking away from rigid structures or conventions.